Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install NetTools on Linux. So in order to do it, of course we have to go into our terminal, so I will press on Show Apps and press on Terminal in order to open it. And what basically are NetTools? NetTools is a legacy package that contains networking commands such as netstat, ifconfig, roots, and for example ARP. And as you can see, if I will type in netstat or I will type in ifconfig, we have an error. Command ifconfig not found, command netstat not found, but can be installed with sudo apt install nettools. So we have to use it and install it right now. So sudo apt install net minus tools. Press enter. We have to type in a password, of course. And right now our NetTools are installed. We can clear that, and again we can type in netstat. As you can see, it's working. You can use your netstat, and for example ifconfig. As you can see, ifconfig also is working, so you can use it and you can read all the informations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.